Okay, so good afternoon. My name is Małgorzata Mickiewicz. It's a pleasure to present the first presentation in our exponential series. I'm working in customer success and implementation team in Synerise as a customer success and implementation manager. In our team, we help our customers implement their marketing strategies and build automatic customer paths. My adventure with marketing automation has been going on for over 2 years. Now, when you know me a little better, we can go to the presentation. Today, I will give you a bunch of information about dynamic campaigns that you can create in Synerise. Our main topic for today will be SMS campaigns. In dynamic campaigns, we can use all information for user behavior. For example, we can use collected data later from e-commerce effectively and any communication channel. We call it omni-channel use of data. You can imagine any scenario of data penetration between channels. For example, information from email campaigns can be used in mobile push on your website. If you want to increase the attractiveness of your campaigns and increase the conversion, this presentation is for you. At the beginning, I'm going to tell you what you can put in dynamic campaigns. What do you need for sending SMS from Synerise platform? I will show you two ways. One for beginners and second for more advanced users. So if you never have been in our platform before, don't worry. Finally, I will summarize our presentation. So today's example is SMS, but remember that you can use those scenarios on every communication channel. You can use it in a mass communication for notifying all users about the start of a new collection or sale, or target SMS shipments as a one-to-one communication in a loyalty program, a banded visit or basket. You can also send a discount coupon to your customer, information about promotion in your store, or birthday wishes. It is a nice gesture that costs little and is remembered by customers. In dynamic campaign, you can use all collecting data on any communication channel. Additionally, you can add AI content to your campaigns. For example, the most expensive recommended product as a cross-selling to current product in the basket. Of course, if you want to send SMS from Synerise, we need a couple of things. There are two required points. At first, you need to have customers base with phone numbers and marketing agreements for sending SMS. Second one is integration SMS gateway with Synerise. We offer integration, for example, with SMS API, Matirna, Infobip, Tide Mobile. There are also some optional things. In this presentation, we will use in example for beginners information about user first name, the name of favorite store, but it can be any additional attribute as you want. And we also use the discount code. In advanced example, we will use information about user last viewed pages in our store. If you want to store information about visited pages, we need to put our tracking code to customer's website. So now let's go to the part how to do it in Synerise. Let's start from example for beginners. We create SMS with discount coupon. First step is to add vouchers to Synerise platform. In this example, we will use unique vouchers that are assigned per individual customer. But of course, you can use static coupon, like minus 30% discount and with a static code. Second step is to create SMS content. In platform Synerise, we will use Jinjava to create dynamic content. And Jinjava is a kind of programming library used in web application to embed data in presentation templates. Jinjava is rendered on the server side, and thanks to that, user can view the final result in their browser. And the last third step is to define a segment of customer we want to send SMS, schedule our campaign, put UTM parameters, and optional test our SMS. Okay, so now let's move to the platform and see how it works. So we start from add voucher pools. You can find voucher pools in data management, right here, voucher pools. Inside, we can see a list of pools. When we click on our pool, we will see the list of vouchers. Okay, so if you want to import your voucher, you have to just click on this button import and choose your file. After import, pull look like this. So we can see code with your voucher and information about if it's assigned or not assigned. We also see assignment data and date of use. Okay, so next step is prepare our content. So we have to click on the campaign and choose SMS. We are creating a new campaign, so we have to click Create Campaign. We have 4 steps. First is an audience. Here we can choose the campaign recipients. System will reveal only customers who have given marketing consent to this type of campaign. And as you see, in our case, it's more than 90%. We can choose to send SMS to everyone, but we also can choose our segment. When you click here, you can choose any segment that we already created in Analytic. But also, we can create a new audience by clicking here. Here, we can define our audience. So, for example, we want to send our message to everyone who have page visit on our website during last, for example, for yesterday. So we have page visit one day before today. So when we click apply, system will estimate reach. So yesterday on our website was more than 100 customers. And when we click apply, our SMS will be sent to this specific audience. And of course, we can change our condition and choose whatever we want. We can use page visit, we can use the message open or message click. As I said, we can use anything what we want. We want to send our SMS to everyone, so we choose everyone and click apply. The second one is content. Okay, so this is the part everyone waiting for. So the first, we have to choose the sender name. In our case, is Synerise, and I click on the create message. Text editor, because we want to create our message from the beginning. And to use the naming content, we have to use inserts. When we click on this button, inserts, we will see, yes, here, how many possible we have. First, we want to use first name of our user. So let's use search for that. Okay, so now when we click on this, we will see some code. If you're not a technical person, don't worry. You don't have to know anything about the Java, so the programming language. This insert button is for you. You just have to copy the insert you are interested in and pass it in the message box. So when we click here, we already copied. And we just have to pass it in the message box. Okay, so now let's add some text, something like this. And now we want to add information about user favorite store. Let's see how it looks on user card. Okay, so here we see a client card. And this is the main information about our user. And here we have some additional information. In the main shop attribute, we store information about the favorite user store. So in my case, is Bonarka Shopping Center. We can copy this attribute and back to our SMS campaign, click on insert and find our attribute. So when we click right here, the system returns us the code with our attribute main shop. We can just pass it right here. Okay, so the last step is to add voucher. We have to click on insert again and find pools. When we click on our voucher on our pool with voucher, we see some code. Inside, right here, you can see the ID of our voucher pool. We can always check vouchers pool ID at the end of voucher pool URL. So let's copy this Ginjava and paste in the message box. Okay, so now let's add something on the beginning of our message, something like this. And of course, we can add some emoticon. Great. You can go back now to the SMS campaign creator. So we have to click next and apply. In scheduler, right here, we can choose whether SMS will be sent. We can set it right now, so we have to click on immediately, or we can schedule the time of send our SMS and click the time. We want to send the SMS immediately, so we have to click right here and apply. So the last part is a test. If you want to test our SMS, we can define right here a number of our phone and send SMS. Okay, so let's go back to our presentation and have a look how our SMS looks on phone. Okay, so we can see right here my first name. The second part is the name of my favorite store. So this is a Bonarka Shopping Center. And here, this number, there is my voucher, my coupon. And thanks to insert in Ginjava, we have 3 dynamic parts in our SMS. Okay, so now let's have a look on something more advanced. Our challenge is to engage customers who didn't make a transaction during their last visit to go back to our website and make transaction. We will create SMS with the most expensive product among the last 10 products view. So the first step is to create aggregate with regular expression. So what is our aggregate? An aggregate is prepared with the intention of analyzing the action of an individual customer. The analysis is based on a particular event occurrence, which can be specified by the event parameters within the defined time range. The result of the analysis can be a minimum, average, maximum value of event, and many, many more. In our case, aggregate help us to gather information about last 10 view products for the specific customer. The second step is create SMS content. And the last part is define segments, schedule time, and send our SMS. So now let's move to our platform and see how it works. So first is create an aggregate. You can find aggregate clicking on analytics and clicking on aggregates. We are creating new aggregate, so we have to click on this button. So first we have to select property, as you see. We are interested in last 10 visits, so we are choosing last multi and define size on 10. Now we have to choose if we want to consider only unique occurrence or all occurrence. I propose to select an unique occurrences because if someone saw, for example, 5 times the same product in last 10 page visits, we would limit the number of checked products to 6. So the next step is to select event. We are interested in page visit, so we're looking for it. And now let's see how this event looks on the cart. By clicking here, we can limit our events only for 1 or more. So in our case, we are interested in page visit. And as you see, my last visit is on product Tate Evolution dress. We can see by clicking on it all information about this product in this event. So what we can see here? For example, we can see the name of this product, the product, what is a category this product. We also have an information about title and price, and many more. We also have the parameter called product retailer part number. And this parameter stores information about ID view product. Every product on your website should have a unique ID, we call it SKU. We use SKU to get more information about products from product feed or from catalog with all products from your website. So let's copy the name of this parameter and back to our aggregate. So we use this SKU parameter because we are interested in to have only SKU, because we will use this SKU to return information about the most expensive product, and we needed to find information about this product like image, link, title of this product and price, and put it in our SMS. Now we want to have only information about page visit from web page with product. So we again use this parameter because only page visit on product have this parameter, yes? And we use a regular expression with a dot. And dot in regular expression matches any character. When we are using regular expression with a dot, it protects us from the appearance of empty values. So that's why regular expression is the best idea to use it here. And right here, we can change time range. If we want to consider only last 7 days, we have to click here. System checks only page visit user from last 7 days. And on the end, we can click apply, and on the end, we can put a name of our aggregate. Now let's have a look on our SMS. This code looks more difficult than the example for beginners, but don't worry, our front-end team can help you create such a code. I will explain what's happening here in simple words. Java checks if the user has visited one product or more. If he saw only one product, it would return information about this specific product. If a user saw more than one product, the mechanism would check which product was the most expensive, and this product will be sent to him in this SMS message. So to sum up, we use SKU, name, link, and image for the product, and we put this information in our message. Okay, so now let's go back to our presentation and let's have a look how it looks on a phone. Okay, so as you can see, this very long message gives us very short result on our phone. We can see information about the most expensive product I have seen during my last 10 visited pages on product site. We can see a name of this product, so this is a Tate Evolution. We have here the link to this product, and of course we can see the image of this product. So now it's time for summarize our presentation. So the most important thing from last 15 minutes is that the scenario I have presented you can use in the multiple channels, in emails, SMS, web and mobile push, and of course on your website. In dynamic campaigns, you can use all information from user behavior and use it effectively in any communication channel. You can imagine any scenario of data penetration between channels. For example, information from email campaigns can be used in mobile push or on your website. You can create dynamic campaigns with a bounded product from basket, the last visited products. You can send to your clients the most expensive product they saw during their last visit. You can use AI recommendation and present cross-selling products or personalized products based on data you are collecting about your customer on your website. Thanks to Insert in Java, you can create very flexible content, and you are only restricted by your imagination and stored information about your clients. So if you want to increase conversion on your website, from today, you will be using dynamic campaigns instead of regular campaigns.